Hello friends, welcome to my another video. I am Manoj. Today we will learn about the Drotin injection. The Drotin injection is basically an antispasmodic injection, and uh, this injection is used in the treatment of menstruation. I mean menstrual pain and abdominal pain, and this injection provides relief from pain due to smooth muscle spasm like menstrual pain, and due to kidney stone pain, and the pain due to biliary stone and gastrointestinal colic pain. We use this injection, and we have to always check the manufacture date and the expiry date. And this injection contain 40 mg drotaverine hydrochlorides, and this is a 2 ml ampoule, and this injection is also called absolute alcohol 8.0%, and the price of the injection in India is 28.36 rupees per ampoule, and this injection is made by Walter Busnell, New Delhi headquarters. This is the company, and this injection is a very good antispasmodic medicine, and this injection have no more side effect. But in some general case we find the drowsiness and the dry mouth, etc. And we have to always check the expiry date. It's very important for the injection, and the way of introducing is IM or IV. You can give this injection through IV or IM as you like, but it depends on the condition of the patient. But we have to always give this injection in IV. IV is better for immediate relief. You can see the expiry date and the manufacture date and the price also. And this medicine has no more side effect, this medicine has the dizziness, drowsiness, and some general case we find the dryness of mouth. That's all. Thank you. If you want to know more anything about this medicine, you can comment me in my comment box. Thank you.